Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicle Solutions with a short video of a Mercedes Benz SLK that I have in stock. So here she is, looking resplendent in a colour called Tellurite Silver. It's the Mercedes Benz SLK280, which has the 3-litre V6 engine in it. Absolutely superb car, drives incredibly well. It's a 2007 07 plated car. It's done 89,500 miles, or just a shade over, and it is full service history for all of that. I have service book and a lot of invoices for the work done. Looks fantastic, as you can see, with the roof down, and it's got inside a full leather interior, which is in incredibly good condition for a car which is now 14 years old, in a colour called alpaca grey. Let me just show you that in a moment. There we go. So here we are. It's the interior of the car. Really is in lovely condition for a vehicle of its age, as I mentioned. See the lovely alpaca leather seats, and the trimming goes around the doors and across the glove box as well. And then we've got your traditional Mercedes-Benz system inside. Steering wheel controls. It has the Mercedes-Benz automatic gearbox, of course, cruise control, speed limiter, heated seats, and it also has the benefit of the air scarf system here, which blows hot air onto your neck when it's cold. Let me just start the car up and I'll show you the roof closing so you can see that works all okay. Bear me a second. Okay, so here we are. You can see it's done 89,526 miles. The next service is a service E, which is due in 8,809 miles. Sorry it's got no fuel in it, but I would put some in for you. Let me show you how the roof works. So the roof is operated down here with just a little switch, and we just push it forward. You'll see that the boot opens. A couple of mechanisms move, up comes the roof itself. It very neatly slots into here. There we go. And then all the windows come back up and it's good to go. So there you are. Lovely car, in lovely condition, with great service history. And if you'd like to ask any more questions, to arrange time to come and have a look, it's Sean from Charisma Vehicles. Please do give me a call. I look forward to speaking to you. Many thanks. Bye for now.